My name is Farai Nyamunga. I'm the acting provincial mechanization engineer for the Department of Agricultural Engineering, Mechanization and Farm Infrastructure Development in the Ministry of Lands, Agriculture, Fisheries, Water and Rural Development. We are here at Mutare-Chimanimani Depot, where we are witnessing the construction of 7 by 8,000 metric tons silos, as you can see in the picture. This project is meant to enhance our national strategic grain reserve capacity from the current 650,000 metric tons to 1.5 million metric tons. This project is an initiative to modernize our 21 grain GMB depots nationwide. The project will see our current storage capacity being increased to enable handling of multiple grain, say sorghum, say maize, say wheat, all at one go, which was not possible before. This project will be automated, whereby we are able to monitor our temperatures, we are able to monitor our volumes in the silos, we are able to monitor even our moisture content for the grain. The biggest advantage for these modernized structures is that we are able to increase and improve our grain handling efficiency in the sense that our farmers no longer need to dry their grain before they deliver the grain to our GMB depot. Everything is now done here because the structures, the project encompasses drying facilities, storage facilities and so on. Our project at this Mutare depot will also enable handling of our grain imports, say in times of droughts. It will also be able to enhance our storage capacity for our exports. Say when we want to export our grain, since you know that Mutare is the gateway to the sea through the Beira port.
Tanaka Matoni, engineer of Spamsa, a leading company in the agricultural equipment in the whole world. Today we are at Mutare GMB, where we are constructing 7 silos. These silos, they are very superior in terms of technology, that they have an automated system which is running on them. The automated system is an enhanced system which is using AI technology. This AI technology will enable us to be on the top of the art in terms of handling the grains. So this technology includes the transportation of the grain into the silos through the conveyor system, which is an enhanced technology system using the conveyor system. On the conveyor system, we are also going to have the silo dryers, which will handle our grain before they enter the silo to handle the moisture content of the grain and to dry the grain for us. This will enable us to make sure that our grain is well dried before it goes into the silos. And this silos is going to use a first in, first out concept, which we call the FIFO. The FIFO, where the grain that comes in first will be the first to go out of the silos. That will enable us to continue having a fresh grain all over and all over. So, and also we are going to have our system which will have the blowers The blowers, that's a system whereby our grain is it's treated for dust, it's treated for other pests through the automated system for blowers. And these blowers also will enhance our grain through its protection and through the removal of the pest. And the construction of the steel silos, it has a lifespan of over expanding from 50 years.